Investing might seem intimidating, especially if you're just starting out and only have a small amount of money. But the truth is, you don't need thousands of dollars to begin. In this video, we'll break down a simple, step-by-step guide on how to start investing with just $100. Whether you're looking to grow your wealth over time or just want to get your feet wet in the world of investing, this guide is for you. Step 1. Set your investment goals. Before you put your money into any investment, it's crucial to define your financial goals. Ask yourself, do you want long-term wealth growth? Are you saving for retirement? Do you need liquidity for short-term goals? Having clear objectives will help you choose the best investment strategy. Step 2. Understand different investment options. There are several ways to invest $100, and each has its own risk and return potential. Here are some of the best options. 1. Stock market, fractional shares and ETFs. Many brokerage platforms allow you to buy fractional shares, meaning you can invest in expensive stocks like Apple or Tesla with just a few dollars. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are another great option. They allow you to invest in a diversified portfolio without picking individual stocks. 2. Index funds. Index funds track the overall market, such as the S&P 500, offering a diversified and low-cost way to invest. They're great for long-term, passive investing with minimal effort required. 3. Robo-Advisors. If you don't want to pick stocks yourself, Robo-Advisors can automatically invest your money based on your risk tolerance and goals. Some platforms have no minimum deposit, making them ideal for small investors. 4. Cryptocurrency, with caution. While crypto is volatile, platforms like Coinbase and Binance allow you to start with as little as $10. Consider investing only a small portion of your money and focus on well-established coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Step 3. Choose the right investment platform. Now that you know what to invest in, you need a reliable platform to execute your investments. Some beginner-friendly options include Robinhood, commission-free stock and ETF trading. Fidelity, great for long-term investors with strong customer support. M1 Finance, automated investing with fractional shares. Coinbase, a trusted platform for cryptocurrency investments. Step 4. Diversify your investments. With only $100, diversification may seem difficult, but it's possible. Consider splitting your investment across stocks, ETFs, and even crypto. Avoid putting all your money into one stock or asset class to reduce risk. Step 5. Reinvest and keep adding to your portfolio. Investing is a long-term game. Make it a habit to add more money whenever possible, even if it's just $10 per month. Reinvest any dividends you earn to accelerate growth through compounding. Starting your investment journey with just $100 is completely possible. And with the right strategy, you can build a solid financial future. The key is to start early, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to start investing today.